TikTok Shop vs Amazon selling. Now, these two beasts are very, very close right now. TikTok Shop is set to surpass Amazon in the very near future, a lot of experts are saying right now. At the moment, the revenue in 2023 was around about 12 billion for TikTok. This year, in 2024, it's set to surpass 17.5 billion. Last year, there was an estimated account users of 15 million shoppers using TikTok Shop. And in 2023, in the second half, 6 million of them joined up. It's extremely fast growth. Clash of the Titans is inbound. In this video, I'm going to break down both and discuss who's going to win, who's going to come out on top. Is TikTok Shop now a more attractive opportunity for sellers? Let's dive in and talk about what you should be focusing on. Unless you've been living under a cave, you would have struggled not to have drawn attention towards TikTok. It is taking the world by storm. It was introduced in 2016. It's been the fastest growing social media site of all time, of all history. It's still growing to this day at an extraordinary rate. However, in the last few years, they integrated TikTok Shop. Now, this was totally genius in many ways. And the reason this is genius is because the mix match of online shopping and Amazon combined. That's basically what they've done. The ease of Amazon fast shopping, right? Soon to be the fulfillment centers on TikTok, which we talk about in a minute, utilizing them to a big advantage. And then the online shopping, which is we're used to doing on the TV and things like that. A social media site that has got hundreds of millions of users now offers a shop. And here's the reason this is genius. We all know why we never do online shopping, right? Other than the fact that, you know, the TV shopping is the middle of the day and no one watches it. For those that do watch it, or for those that have seen it, it's just a faff. You have to call them up, you have to get the deals, you're like, hello, you know, can I order this, blah, 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 or text in the number to order. It's just a faff. No one wants to do that. The reason TikTok Shop is so genius and why it's got the potential it's got is because you can integrate the links on the bottom left of the video for a super fast checkout. That's the beauty of it. And not only that, it's the affiliate side of things. The affiliate side of TikTok Shop is the genius part. I know an agency right now that's got 600, 700, 800 TikTok Shop affiliate people in it, right? And I worked out and I got told and I heard that all that agency does is works with a brand and then promotes that brand to all of their affiliates, and then 600 to 800 or 1,000 affiliates from that agency, and there'll be loads of agencies like this soon, by the way, go and start doing videos about that, and they're getting paid a bit of commission. The brand's getting loads of revenue from that growth, and the sellers are happy because they're getting a good deal. This is why it may surpass Amazon. Amazon has not got a social media site, one connected to it, but it also hasn't got a genius affiliate marketing side attached to it. So when you combine the huge mediocre rise of TikTok as a platform in its own and combine that with a genius affiliate marketing platform where every single person is trying to earn affiliate commission, so they're creating tens of thousands of videos for these products and they're getting paid from it and they're earning a good living from it, they are infused to keep doing that over and over again. So it gets this virality that you usually get from random posts, random YouTube videos. It's happening all the time. A lot of people call this like the Andrew Tate method, because Andrew Tate, what he did to build his brand so quick was that he gave an affiliate commission for people that signed up to his online course thing, whatever it was. He gave that to thousands of young guys, right? Thousands of 17, 18, 19-year-old boys. And they started posting Andrew Tate's content on there with their 40% or 50%, whatever they get, commission if they join his course, whatever it is. So it's like, some people call it the Andrew Tate thing, but they found a way to replicate this virality over and over again on millions of products. That's why this thing is so genius and powerful. Move forwards to now, they've also integrated, just in the last year, they've integrated TikTok Shop fulfillment. And that means that they are building a fulfillment network similar to Amazon where you can get next day delivery. Now, let me tell you, at the moment, you have to hit that £20 spend in order to get the free delivery, right? If they can find a way to do some sort of Prime membership like Amazon have, they're going to increase their sales. I think it's fair to say by 30 to 40%. if they can introduce some sort of same day free shipping, next day free shipping like Amazon Prime has, and that's when they're going to see the real growth. That's when they're going to see significant overnight growth. This platform is not only a genius in that remark, but it's kind of like drop shipping as well, right? People were essentially being able to drop ship by just having their links at the bottom of the page. People used to have to create their own Shopify sites or something like that to do drop shipping or do it third party through eBay and stuff like that. Now, it's essentially like people can just drop ship with that little link without ever having to touch products themselves at all. It can be, and they can also integrate their own products into TikTok Shop. They can affiliate other products. There's going to be many, many hundreds of millionaires made by this. Now, I think it's going to beat Amazon, and I never thought I'd say this. When I first heard about it, I didn't think it stood a chance because of Amazon's infrastructure, you know, worth hundreds of billions. But if they can keep investing in the revenue that's required to get the growth they want, absolutely this has got the potential to take over Amazon. And as someone that has sold on Amazon for coming up to 6 years now myself, I'm heavily invested in figuring out how to do TikTok Shop now. And it's going to be a heavy focus from us because you cannot ignore what is going on here. A lot of people are saying it is Amazon in 2012, and I believe it to be true. I think this is an opportunity that no one should be overlooking. The people that are on here, that have been on here for around about 2 years now, a year and a half, that I know, killing it. Absolutely killing it. And that's not because they're genius, right? That's not because they're geniuses. That's because anyone that was on Amazon in 2012 was also killing it. If I set my business up in 2012 on Amazon, we'd be killing it. So there's a lot to be said for jumping on the opportunities, not getting shiny penny syndrome, but jumping on the correct opportunities that can streamline your way to success a lot easier than doing old business models. Things like Amazon they've been around a while now, you know, like and they're matured as a platform, and you know, Amazon is increasing its trickiness to sell on the platform, which by the way also is not helping their growth because they're putting off a lot of sellers because they're stringent, they're maturing as a platform, and they're cracking down on many different areas of this platform, which a lot of sellers are going to be moving over to TikTok, right? So that's another reason why I think TikTok's going to surpass Amazon eventually, because if they can find a way to look after their sellers better than Amazon with their customer support, all that sort of stuff, they're going to really stand a good chance, because why wouldn't you go over there for lower commissions and a better service and not worrying about your account getting suspended all the time? All of these things, you know, need to be taken into account. So I think any e-commerce that is worth their pound in flesh should be looking at TikTok Shop very carefully, studying them and figuring out if it's an avenue that they can go after, because I think this is Amazon in 2012 sort of opportunity right here, and I think everyone should be taking very close look at it. I think you'll regret it in 10 years if you don't. Let me know in the comments what sort of videos you want me to make, and I'll speak to you all soon.